He feeds her by regurgitating food items one at a time. Another duty. Clay and mud is collected. The female uses the clay to seal the nest entrance, preventing predators from attacking and eating the eggs or chicks in the future. The gender roles of the pheasant-tailed jacanas are reversed, with females defending 3 or more males. The eggs are left with the males for incubation and parental care. The female defends the nesting territory. The female great hornbill has now spent 35 days incubating her 2 eggs. The male is constantly searching for more food for his partner and coming chicks. This is father care. 2 small hornbill chicks see the light of day, a miracle in the tropical forest. As the chicks grow, their dietary requirements change, and they need more protein than figs can provide. The female refuses what the male has brought. He must let the figs fall to the ground and regurgitate something more appropriate for a growing bird, like an insect. It takes 3 months for the chicks to mature. The proud father supervises the growing life at the nest with tender care. Another miracle at Bang Porapet. 2 chicks have already left their eggs. The third is still fighting to escape the shell. The eggshell is removed so that predators are not attracted to the nest by smell. Amazingly, the young are able to run, swim, and dive as soon as they have hatched. But sometimes